What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willis Garage. Got something a little different today. I picked this up off Amazon. As many of you know, Luna the German Shepherd sheds. It looks like the wild, wild west in my house, the way that hairballs roll around. So we're gonna try out this pet grooming glove. It's vacuum sealed. It's really, really thin. I assume they can fit a bunch of these in a box. Alright, so they're pretty simple. Just got raised little areas here. I'm gonna throw these things on and we'll see what we can make happen in like 2 minutes. See if Luna likes them. Super easy to put on. So guys, this is the end result. Pretty decent little pile. There's still some left on the gloves and on Luna's bed, but she seemed to enjoy it. They seem to work pretty well. I would bet if you did that every day, your house would be, I don't know, around that much cleaner instead of having it everywhere. Alright, if you guys like them, there's a link in the description. Good luck.